Hello folks, it's me again, doing the close-up thing here. Can't really see. I'm freaking tired. I'm like dead tired. I'm going back to sleep after this. What is this video about? This is my Tooly Tuesday video. I invented the word. I don't know if I probably didn't invent it. I'm not taking credit for it. But I call my Tuesday videos Tooly Tuesday till I get sued and I'll go back to Tool Tuesday. So with that said, I have something that I know everybody knows I love. I picked up, where is it? It wasn't this one. I picked up one of these things. But this one's pretty wild actually. See, this is pretty wild. See? Wild, wild, wild. Look at the jaw on that thing. Why did I buy this? Wilde, USA. It's a, let's see. It's really markings on it. Let me lower it so I can show you. It's pretty cool. It's not your average. It's got a weird straight thing with a spring in there. It's got your typical bolt in the back, which isn't very exciting. And you can clamp on to, let me find something to clamp on with. It's got the coolest jaw though. Doesn't look like it's been too abused except for maybe a cut down the middle there. Some black, there's a notch in the front here. I don't know if you can see it. Somebody notched it out. But I don't know what, there's no number on it. Toggle lock 10 VGRC. It looks like somebody tried to design their own. And it looks like either this is cast. I mean, I'm guessing it's cast, but they did a nicer, it looks kind of pretty. And it also, unlike this design, which is you lock it and then opens up, and then there's what? Oh, and there's the old vice grip, which I probably should have got, that has no unlocking thing. But this one's, see, it's not your average. Let me see if I get a vice grip here. Do I have a vice grip brand one here? Yeah, here's one. Okay, there's one up here. See? Oh, okay, it's the pointy one. Okay. Well, anyway, with that said, all the vice grip ones are in the vice grip vault. But yeah, see, it's pretty cool. It's pretty smooth. It's got the somewhat of a that I don't know, I guess like gristly thing. But it's got a nice like curve there. It looks like somebody took some pride in it. And especially this thing, you put your finger on and touching. Whereas the other ones, the smaller versions, which I have one here. Which brand is this one? Okay, this is a no-name one, but see, all these other ones have this version. That's a no-name brand. Come on. This is a Tectone, which has it this way. So if you lock it in place, it goes like this, and unlocks. What else? What else we got here? Come on, lock in there. Here's this one, which is an older locking one. This one you have to push it. This is an old BMC. I love these wrenches because they got small little jaws. They can grab little things. They bite on them flat, which is really cool. Certain jobs, a lot of them are rusting. But anyway, this is a Wilde USA locking plier. And I do have one or two more up my sleeve coming in the mail that I sniped off of online. So if you like locking pliers, I'm gonna do a plier video with all the different ones, like, see, because there's every random, see, there's all different sorts of way they lock different, but it's amazing because they all basically use the same premise that you pull this up and this thing kind of like bumps up and locks in there. Whether you put it this way, down, or upwards, it's all the same. With exception, I think, for, was it this one? What the hell is this one? Wait. How do I get this off here again? No, get off there, you. I think this one's a cobalt one. The exception for this one, which I think goes like this. unlocks. Yeah, I think it's got the unlock button. See, what does this thing do again? Yeah, see, you can push it and it goes, locks and comes out. So you go like this, you push the button, and then Cobalt. Just another, and they all have that classic thing that I'm guessing Peterson stole it off somebody, because they all have the little bump. See the little bump in that one? And then, oh, see, that one doesn't have a bump. See, little bump. They're probably Walmart brand. And here's this is a vice grip. Is the Irwin one? Wait. The original vice grip, yeah. That was the Irwin one, see? It's got the little bump here. Same thing. But yeah, more vice grips for the gripping. Anyway, if you like locking pliers and like to collect them, send me a picture. Show me them. Let me know what you think. Got lots of them. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell all your friends that we're locking plier nut. And no, I'm not paying zillions of dollars for these things. I buy them cheap, and I actually use them too. You will see these and other ones in some of my videos. And you'll probably see me buy more and more of them, because I'd like at least 2 or 3 of each one. And get some rusty ones. And I'm probably going to try making, I'd like to try making one myself. How hard could it be to make your own? It's probably too hard. Yeah, actually, you know what? I wonder how hard it would, interesting to be. How hard it would be to machine your own. Anyway, that said, there's sirens. I want to see what the hell's going on. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.